How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Sick Eric Tech. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on an adjustable folding stand for your smartphone or tablet. This is a folding stand by Lamicall, and this is the DP13. This could be found on Amazon for a really cheap price of $9.99. And when I purchased this, it was on sale, so $9.99 is the stabled out price tag of this. So as we all know, I do have several stands that are your basic metal stand right here, but these don't have any sort of adjustable features to them, and they are kind of loud too when you're using them, but I do use those quite a bit as well. This one is going to be more of an adjustable stand, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Links will be posted down below if you guys want to check this out. It is available in a white version for $12, and this is the black version, so let's go ahead and check it out. You do get your manual if you need a manual for your stand, very in-depth, and gives you some dimensions and stuff like that. Don't need that. So already it feels pretty stiff and pretty substantial as far as weight goes. Does not look like it's going to wobble around or anything. So it does lift up. You get your little phone set right there. So let's go ahead and put the Galaxy S22 Ultra on there. So it is pretty sturdy. So it's not going to be falling around or anything as compared to this phone. You can hear it, or this stand, very loud and not very sturdy on that one. But this one, actually pretty good. And it actually holds the phone up quite nicely. So here it is on Amazon, Lamicall. And it does come in a white version for $12.99. And I'm thinking about using this for some videos as well. So very, very cool. And here's a closer look at the stand itself. Now it does adjust going out as well to where it'll lift up the device even more and lift it up more at the table. So that part might be a little bit more wobbler or a little bit more wobbly once it's fully extended. But if you want to lower it down, you can do that as well, and you can use this to sort of lay it flat as well too. So this is pretty cool. If you want to do some top shots on your video, you can do that as well. So very, very nice. And then if you want to lower it, you could have it like so, and it does adjust to so many different angles on here. So very, very nice sturdy stand, and I think I like it. It's got a nice rubber back to it, and the base has some weight to it as well, with some rubber feet on there. That way it's not sliding around the table. And here's a closer look at that extension arm right there. So very, very nice stand, very inexpensive. You get cushioning on the base and then rubber on the back, so it won't scratch any of your devices. And you can also use your phone in landscape mode as well if you want to do that. So very, very nice. Very sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to fall over or anything, and it should hold up your basic smartphone and probably even a tablet as well. The S22 is a pretty big smartphone, and it holds it up pretty good as far as that weight goes. It's not going to tip over or anything when you're using this. So very, very nice. Check it out on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description down below. Lamicall folding smartphone stand, adjustable height, very, very nice for smartphones, and probably a little tablet as well. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.